Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host today, and today we are diving into a topic that so many people are curious about: how to make money with affiliate marketing. Whether you are new to this world or you have heard about it and you want to give it a try, this video is for you. Stick around because we are going to break it all down, from the basic of what affiliate marketing is to actionable steps you can take to start earning money online. Let's get started. So, what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it is a business model where you promote other people's or company's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Think of it like being a middleman. You help people discover a product and then they buy it. You get a piece of pie. Let's quickly walk through how affiliate marketing works in real life. Step 1. You join an affiliate program. There are tons out there like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or niche programs in fashion, tech, health, etc. Step 2. You get a unique affiliate link for the products you want to promote. Step 3. You promote that link on your platforms. This could be your blog, social media, YouTube, or even email. Finally, step 4. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Let's break down the different affiliate marketing models. This is important because not all affiliate program works the same way. Here are few common models. You earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. For example, Amazon Associates. You get paid based on the number of clicks on your affiliate link, regardless of a sale. For example, Google AdSense. You earn money when a referred user completes an action like signing up for a newsletter or filling out a form. For example, credit card companies or insurance services. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Choosing the right one can make a big difference in your success. Here's what you need to look for when deciding. Look for programs with higher commission percentages. But remember, it is not always about the highest rates. It is about what aligns with your audience. This is how long a referral link remains valid after someone clicks. Some programs after 24 hours, others up to 90 days. Longer bookie duration mean more opportunities for you to earn. Make sure you are promoting products that are relevant to your audience. If you have a blog about fitness, promoting tech gadgets might not resonate with your followers. Look for programs that offer solid support, easy payouts, and reasonable minimum payout threshold. Affiliate marketing, you need to find a niche. A niche is a focused area that appeals to a specific audience. Why is this important? Well, because it helps you target your audience and affiliate promotions to the right people rather than trying to appeal everyone. Step 1. Identify your passion. What do you enjoy talking about and working on? Step 2. Research market demand. Is there a market for it? Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, or even social media to check. Step 3. Analyze competition. Look at what competitors are doing. If there is a competition, that is a good sign of market potential. Step 4. Focus on your audience's needs. The more you tailor your promotions to what your audience wants, the more conversions you will get. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is and how to choose the right program, you need a platform to promote your affiliate links. Here are some popular platforms to consider. Perfect for SEO focused content, you can write reviews, guides, and how-tos that promote affiliate products. Video content is massive. You can create product reviews, unboxing, or tutorials. Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are great for visual products, especially fashion, beauty, and lifestyle items. Building an email list is crucial. You can include affiliate links in your newsletters to drive sales. Great, you have chosen your affiliate program, found your niche, and set up your platform. Now, how do you drive traffic? Traffic is key to making affiliate marketing work. Here are some strategies to help you bring in your visitors. Optimize your blog or YouTube content with relevant keywords to rank higher in search results. Share your content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Send regular newsletters to your subscribers with valuable content and product recommendations. The final step is tracking your performance and continuously optimizing. Most affiliate programs offer detailed analytics so you can see how many clicks and sales your links are generating. Metrics to watch: click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and earnings per click, EPC. A/B test: experiment with different types of content, call to action buttons, or platform to see what works best. Stay updated on industry trends, attend webinars, or join affiliate marketing communities to keep learning and growing. So there you have it, a complete guide to making money with affiliate marketing. Remember, success does not happen overnight, but with consistent effort and the right strategies, you can build a sustainable income stream. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on online business and marketing. And let me know in the comments below that what affiliate program are you most excited to try.